Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is the channel. So if you didn't realize, I did change my channel name a couple videos ago. So it's going to be Robyn Reviews and More, because you never know what more I'm going to put in one of my videos. So today I'm excited. This is, I want to say, a new box to my channel, but I might have unboxed this a couple years ago. So it is a box by the Hutch Sisters and it's called Brown Paper Packages. I will leave a link. I don't get paid. I fully paid for this box, so I will just leave a link because sometimes they have discounts going on. It's a Canadian owned company. So in Canada, I think it's $59.99 plus $8.50 shipping. And in the US, it's $43.99, but then they charge you $15 for shipping. So we'll find out if it is worth it. So it came nicely packaged in a big brown heavy box, and I'm gonna open it and show you. I have no idea what's in this box. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like it, excuse me, like my channel, please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of all my future videos, and a thumbs up. And of course, if you're returning, there are no words. I just love your support, and I've made so many friends by doing YouTube. So just another little tidbit. I don't know if any of you are into the college basketball. You know, they had the Sweet 16 going on. Now it's down to the Sweet 8. And where my daughter got her undergrad degree, which is Creighton University, so far they've made it in the top 8. So if you see it anywhere, just remember Creighton. It's in Omaha, Nebraska. So go Blue Jays. All right, so now let's get into the box. There is a card, and just to let you know, this company does these subscription boxes. They will personalize a box for you. They do mystery boxes. So just check out their website and you can see all the fun things they have. So it says, welcome to Brown Paper Packages community. Thank you so much for your order. So let's get into it. I don't know if there's a price, you know, where it gives you retail prices, but we'll find out. But on the front, without me butchering it, because if you have watched me before, you know any box will be destroyed, any bag will be destroyed. But it looks like there's these rocks and a little shovel, and it says yummy chocolate pebbles. So I don't know if you're supposed to eat them. I mean, it does have the word yummy in there. So that's what it says. I'm not gonna open it, but look at that cute, there's a cute little shovel in there. So I don't know if these are edible. I would hate to stick a rock in my mouth, but hopefully there'll be some more information. That's just too funny. And the name of this box is called Stone Cold Crazy. So I guess hence the stones and shovel. And it's a very heavy box. Oh, I found a brochure. So I have to check and see if those were edible, because you know I'm gonna eat them. This is their February-March 2023 box. And oh, is it the scoop set? I don't know. I'll do this all at the end, but I have to find out if I can eat those. And we have this item. I am not sure what it is. I'm afraid to open it because I don't want any more rocks falling out. So you guys having a great time? I know there's been rainstorms, snowstorms, and I'm sorry to say a horrific tornado in Mississippi. But our weather is getting beautiful. Oh, these are earrings. Wow. They're by Avenue 9. Look at those. Put them in there. Look at those beautiful earrings. And I wear very lightweight earrings. And these are super lightweight. And it looks like it's kind of like an amber. So I'm excited about those, and there's so much more in this box. And then we got this. Look at how nicely this is packaged. You know, I've always believed you get what you paid for. So this was a really nice box, very well designed, and comes very nicely wrapped, and it's Serendipity Amber, proudly made in Canada, and it's a soy candle. So I'm thinking those earrings were amber. Ooh, so excited. And there's another beautifully wrapped package. If they do all this stuff individually, this must take them forever. So the $15 in shipping is worth it because of just what they must spend in packaging. And what do we have here? It is Reviving Lemongrass Pumice Scrub. So this looks interesting, and it's very heavy. So give me 1 second as I butcher the box. I so know myself. And this is what it looks like. And it's by Stray Cat. And I'll see if I can open it and see what it actually looks like. It's got a lid on here. Oh, it looks like charcoal. Oh my God, but it smells awesome. And I can tell this is gonna be a mess. So I'm thinking it's a shower scrub. Yeah, it's Gommage Revitaliscent, and it's made in Canada, but, oh no, it's made in Canada, and I'm thinking it's a body scrub. We'll find out at the end, but I can tell this is just gonna be a huge mess. Okay, and look at this packaging. So you can put these back in the package and give them as gifts. I've got the kids coming in town, and my daughter already put together her list of skincare products that she needs. She doesn't really wear makeup, but she uses skincare. So let's see what we have in here. And this is Gourmet Finishing Salt Cell Black Hawaiian. I'm not sure what it is, but we'll find out. So this is the top, this is the packaging, and we'll find out. Maybe we'll find out what's in here. It is so packaged well, I can't get into it. So we'll find out at the end what this is. And then there's another, look at the packaging on this one. It's like a burlap. So hopefully it's not more rocks, but it's heavy, whatever it is. So this is the packaging, and of course it has my favorite poppies. I don't know what this is. It's very heavy. Oh, I think it's coasters. Look at those. Aren't they beautiful? Yeah, it's 4 coasters. This is really pretty. These coasters are beautiful. So we got 4 coasters. And then we have Village Hot Chocolate Mix. And it's Rocky Road. I'll definitely have to make a cup of this when it gets cooler later on this evening. But Rocky Road, and of course it goes with their rock theme. That is awesome. And then we have a couple more things. And this is just a black bag. So you want to guess what's in there? If you do, leave your comments below. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a little change purse. This is really cute. It's got a zip pocket in the front. I don't really know what you could put in the zip pocket because it doesn't even look like it would hold a driver's license. And then it's got 2 coin pockets. I don't know about you, but my change is always at the bottom of my purse. So every week I have to take it out. Oh wait, there's another zipper. Oh, here's another zipper. This is the coolest thing. So you can actually put your ID. Obviously it's not gonna fit a cell phone. And then it's got the 2 pockets there and all these zippers. Loving this thing. And then the last item, oops, found a piece of something. So this must have come off a package. And the last thing in the box is nesting scoop set. And I don't want to rip the box, so you can, for your coffees, it's got 3 different sizes. So if you want to use it for cereal, and it's black, and this looks like a stone color. So I am very happy with this bag. So let's just recap everything that came in here. We have the stone earrings, and I just love them. And they retail for $17. The Stray Cat was a humus foot scrub. So it's just for your feet, but I would definitely recommend doing it in the shower because it looks like it would be a mess. The Black Hawaiian finishing salt, and that is a gourmet sea salt with activated charcoal made from coconut shells. The perfect finishing salts on meats, veggies, in your drink. So this is the salt, so I'm glad I didn't open it. It'd be all over the floor. Then we have a amber soy candle that retailed for $16, and this adorable little coin purse was $19. The glass coasters were $16, and the scoop sets are $9. And then they gifted the Rocky Road hot chocolate. So let me know what you thought of this box. I thought it was pretty cool. And leave below what your favorite item in this box is, because you never know what's going to go in my next giveaway. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe and like button, and I'll see you next video.